Hello, everyone. My name is Ben Pellegrini, and I'm CEO and co-founder at Intellegens. And I would like to tell you about how we are using machine learning to improve material, chemical, and formulation design, enabling faster, cheaper, and more sustainable product development. Intellegens is really a machine learning company that specializes in complex problems with real-world data. We can uniquely handle sparse and noisy data for high-dimensional problems, which is typical of most real-world industrial problems. Models can be easily created and deployed to end users, delivering immediate return on investment. The underlying technology was developed at Cambridge University and can be applied to any numerical data set. We are currently focused on industrial material, chemical, and process optimizations, but have case studies in healthcare, pharma, and data quality. The problem we are addressing is product design and optimization. If we consider industrial formulations or industrial recipes, we are always trying to understand how we go from raw ingredients and treatment processes to a set of desired target properties. As shown in the diagram here, on the left we have our raw ingredients, elements in a material, or molecules in a chemical. Then we have the processes that are applied. How are the ingredients combined? What temperatures or pressures are used? And finally, on the right, the output, the physical characteristics we're trying to achieve. And this is true of alloys, lubricants, plastics, cosmetics, food, the list goes on. We want to understand how we can change this recipe to make it more sustainable, remove toxic components, reduce cost, or use local ingredients, whilst always maintaining or improving performance. If we can capture the data behind these processes, then we can apply machine learning to help understand, control, and improve what is happening. However, machine learning models are generally only as good as the data used to build them. And in the real world, the data is likely to be sparse and noisy. The data can be sparse because different experimental programs will have collected different data points. Some data may be available at different times, different tools may be used, etc. The noise in the data can come from how the data has been collected. Different instruments, perhaps the environmental conditions have changed in different ways, which will impact accuracy. Finally, using machine learning to optimize multiple properties at the same time for multiple constraints. This is the real world. You're trying to balance many different aspects simultaneously. The Alchemite software platform can easily build models from simple spreadsheets or integrate with existing data sources, delivering models that can extract maximum knowledge from all available data. Alchemite enables scientists to run digital or virtual experiments in seconds. We run optimizations to design the best performing materials for multiple target properties. It can identify errors or outliers in experimental data sets for further investigation, and really provide a smart design of experiments tool for really speeding up the design process. These features enable an 80% reduction in the number of experiments needed, saving both time and money. Easily designed for multiple target properties simultaneously. Materials can be designed with low environmental impact by using less toxic elements or processes. And finally, really provide a data-driven, transparent, and repeatable design process based across an organization. This system can consist of a dashboard or API and can be deployed on-site or hosted on AWS, Google, or Azure platform. This technology is now being applied in a wide range of domains. For example, with Rolls-Royce, where the technology was first developed, designing superalloys for use in their jet engine, suggesting new compositions for 11 target parameters in months rather than years. Ink formulation optimization, reformulating inks given a subset of ingredients, running virtual experiments in seconds rather than weeks to deliver a more focused and reduced experimental program. In small molecule drug discovery for antimalarial drugs, the technology was recently used to guide the design of a new compound against a novel antimalarial mechanism of action. In additive manufacturing, Alchemite has enabled the faster identification of processing conditions to optimize product quality and reliability. We are now looking to work with industrial partners to help them make their products in a more sustainable way. So please do get in touch if you would like to learn more or have a demo of how the software can really help to firstly optimize products and processes, enable faster, cheaper, and more sustainable product development, and really extract the maximum value from your data to deliver immediate return on investment. Thank you very much for listening, and please do get in touch if you'd like to learn more.